Alright guys, today we have a question and I want to thank Shelly from Campion College for this question. Very interesting question. Alright, so it says it's more than one part to it, so when we reach that part I will discuss. So it says express f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 in the form a x plus 8 squared plus k, where a, h and k are constant. Now this is just the first part of the question, so we're going to write it in the form, so let us do that. So it will rewrite it here, 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Now the first thing we do, this is already on the channel but I'm going to go through pretty slow. We bracket off the x terms and next we factor out our a. Any number in front of the a, whether it's minus 1, minus 2, we factor it because what we want a positive a. So because this is 3, we take out 3 and then we divide 3 into 3x squared, leave x squared. 3 into 6, leave 2. A common mistake is that students will divide this and get x squared, but they don't divide this. They just say put back the 6x, but we must divide it because remember we're dividing by 3. So we factor out 3. The next thing we want a third term, but the condition is we must find a half of this and square it. So a half of 2 would be 1 and square. So let's start it up. So we get x squared plus 2x. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we put in this, so we have to take it out because it was not originally there. But the value of this is not just 1, it's 3 times 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So we put in a positive 3. So we have to just take out 3 to make it be 0. And this is to balance the equation. So next we can just tidy up this. Minus. This will give us minus 5. Negative 2 minus 3. Now all we have to do to get the answer is just factorize this. And I'm just going to do the shortcut way. It's already on the channel. So guys, just go through it step by step. We should be able to factorize this. We need two numbers. When we multiply them, it gives us 1. And when it adds us, it gives us 2. So this would be x plus 1 squared. Alright. So this would be in the form ax plus h plus k. Alright, so this is what the first thing they ask. But it's not finished there. They ask us that. They say, hence or otherwise state the minimum turning point. The minimum point. So the minimum point is actually the negative of this, which is, so it gives us negative 1, negative 5. That is the minimum turning point, and that is worth 1 mark. So the first one is 3 and the next one is 2. Alright, the next question says state the equation of the axis of symmetry. State the equation of the axis of symmetry of the function. So let us write that. Axis of symmetry. Now what this is actually something like this, right? It's a curved graph, a quadratic graph. So what they're asking for is the line, equation of the line that cuts the graph in exactly two identical things. Now when you fold it together, it becomes one. That's what they call symmetry, right? Now this is our answer, negative 1. Because this, remember this is the point, negative 1, 5. So that, the axis of symmetry would be negative 1. Alright, let us look at the other one.